Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique. If you are new to this channel, I upload 1 to 2 videos in a week about style, mindful shopping, travel, and everything between. So if you're not a subscriber already, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and subscribe to my channel. Today is the final part of my Tiffany Co jewelry collection series, and we're going to talk about rings. We have quite a few items, so I'm just going to jump right in. First, we're going to talk about the silver rings. I will also have a close-up shot so you can see them up close and personal. This one is from the Amethyst collection. It is quite a chunky ring. This one is in sterling silver. I think this is a size 6, but because it is chunky, sometimes it doesn't fit me because when it's a hotter day, you know, your finger tends to expand. Today, it's one of those days. I'm not going to force it because I don't want to go to the ER. Next we have another silver one, and this one is the Summerset Ring. I think it is another chunky one, but it's quite simple. It's like a band, but it has like these small links that are connected to each other. Because this is sterling silver, it can be quite challenging to clean it on your own if it gets dirty, so I think Tiffany would do a better job at it than me. Next we have the gold band, which is I think part of the wave band. I'm not sure if this is El Separati or Paloma Picosa. I will write it down below. But it's just a simple band, and it has like these 3 wavy lines. It is a nice one to layer with other simple rings, so I mostly wear this for layering. I think my fingers are really swollen at the moment. I don't know why. Next one, we have the one from the hardware collection. If you saw my bracelet jewelry collection, you saw that I have a bracelet which matches this ring as well. It's just a simple pearl one, very easy to wear, also can be layered with other rings. I love layering rings. Next we have the sugar cube rings. I have 2 of them. This one is blue, but it is very light, so in some lights it looks kind of like translucent, and the other one that I have is the pink one. It is great worn on its own, like so. Try the blue one for you. See, in some lights it looks really transparent, but it is definitely blue. what I also like to do is layer both of them, stack them up like that. Don't look at my nails, guys, they are horrendous, but you get the idea. I also have another ring which is not Tiffany Co, but it is in a similar design, and it is pink tourmaline, so I sometimes stack that one also with these two, so it just becomes such a fun piece. Next, I have two cocktail rings from Tiffany's. The first cocktail ring is this one. As you can see, it's a huge kapow kind of ring, and this one is in citrine with yellow gold. Such a beautiful citrine. It's great for evening events. If you have a party, you can wear this. And I think because citrine is almost similar in like the color of yellow gold, so it would go with a lot of things. Another one that I have, I told myself not to buy this one. I wasn't going to buy it because I did have quite a few amethyst pieces at that time, and this one is amethyst, but I just couldn't say no to this. It's just too beautiful. This is in a very light amethyst. It's almost like lilac color. I think the French has a name for a really light amethyst color. I can't remember the name of it, but some people do prefer a lighter amethyst, even though I think the darker color one is it's considered more valuable. But yeah, as you can see, this is very light in color. It's again another kapow ring. This one is in rose gold. If you can see the difference, I will put them side by side. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah. So the amethyst is rose gold and the citrine one is in yellow gold. It's not something that you could wear together because they're just too big. I think it is very elegant if you just wear one at a time. This amethyst one is just stunning in person. Last, we're going to talk about my eternity rings. I love eternity rings. I love stackable rings. You know, I always envy my jewelry vendors who would have like eternity, like maybe like 8 or 10 eternity rings on one finger. I would love to do something like that when I get older. I think it's just divine. I wear two on the daily basis. The first one is this one. I think this is in the channel setting. I'm not quite sure. I can't remember, even though this is my original wedding ring, but this one is in platinum and diamond. It needs some cleaning. As you can see, it's not as sparkly, but yeah, love it. Perfect, fits perfectly. Another one that I wear daily is the Lucida Ring, which is this one. My wedding ring is it's like a half eternity. The Lucida one is a full eternity, which means the diamonds is all around the ring. I think they stack really nicely together. I mean, you can have as many as you want. You can even stack 5 if you want, because they're so thin and dainty and so... I have another one that I haven't worn yet because I just want to keep it pristine, scratchless, because of course these two are scratched and you know they're worn every day. The amount of time that I'm washing my hands during COVID is just ridiculous. So I'm gonna wait until I wear this one. It is, I think this one is the Grace setting. Again, do not quote me on these names because I could be wrong. I think this is also in platinum and diamond, and this one is half eternity. I love the look of 3 of them together. It's just so pretty. I think the Tiffany Eternity band, they are just so sparkly, even though they're so dainty, and the pivot diamonds are so small. They're so sparkly and so beautiful. So even if you only wear one, it's just so sparkly. Every time you move your hands, it's just so beautiful. So you can wear it anywhere on your finger. You can wear it on different fingers. You can wear them on the same fingers. I don't think I could have enough eternity rings. I would like to have more and more and more and more. I don't think I could have enough eternity rings. Like, the more the merrier, but they're not the cheapest item. So I think these are great for those moments in your life, you know, your anniversary, your birthday, milestones in your life that you can celebrate, because I think they're also call it celebration rings. You know, I think they're the ultimate, because the thing is, you can also, another thing, you can wear them on the daily, and you can't wear like your statement pieces like this every day, I don't think. But these definitely is worth the investment, because you will wear them every day and you will love them. I highly recommend them. Okay, my ring light just went off on me. I hope this is not too dark, but I just want to close this video. It has been such a fun series to film. I hope you enjoy the series. Please let me know in the comment section down below what kind of videos that you would like to see from me in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.